Whoa, where am I? This place looks beautiful. Hey, what's that over there? Whoa, look at these plants. They're so cool. For an expert, let's just go check if I can explore other stuff. Wow. Swing. Here we go. This is the life. Oh, let me do more. Wait. Ow! That's gonna leave a mark. This is the tree. So beautiful. Probably must be like a million bugs over here. Wow, it's a squirrel. Go back. Yeah. He's probably with other squirrel friends anyways. Hey look, it's the United States flag. Since it's almost 4th of July, fellow Americans. Is that Margaret from Regular Show? We got to see her for the first time. Oh look, some plants. They look pretty cool. What is this broken down window? Probably the owner must have never cleaned this place up. Wow, look at that size of that tree. It's bigger than what we used to have at the Junior Land. I mean, it's pretty big after all. Not technically big. It's getting pretty hot. I'm gonna go sit down real quick. Well, today was an amazing day. Probably gonna explore more. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.